How to use Wealthsimple Cash Card. After receiving your Wealthsimple Cash Card, a Visa debit card, open the Wealthsimple app, go to the Cash section and follow the instructions to activate your card. You may need to enter the card number and CVV from the back of the card. If you haven't already, make sure your Wealthsimple Cash account is linked to your Wealthsimple app. Ensure your Wealthsimple account has funds in it to use the card. You can load funds via direct deposit, Interac e-transfers, or transfers from other accounts. The Wealthsimple Cash Card, just like a regular debit or credit card at any merchant that accepts Visa. Simply swipe or insert the card or use Tap to Pay if your card has a contactless feature. You can also use your card for online shopping by entering the card number, expiration date, and CVV when prompted at checkout. You can use the Wealthsimple Cash Card at any Visa-supported ATM to withdraw cash, but keep in mind that Wealthsimple may charge a fee for ATM withdrawals, depending on the ATM network and your location. Some ATMs may charge an additional fee, so always check before completing the withdrawal. Use the Wealthsimple app to check your card's balance and view recent transactions. The app will give you details on spending and the available balance in your Wealthsimple Cash account. You can set up direct deposit from your employer into your Wealthsimple Cash account. You can also transfer funds from other bank accounts or by receiving Interac e-transfers.